Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at a new spot because the old spot has been swapped by my mom. मेरी मम्मी का बस चले ना, वो मीन था ना कि मेरी मम्मी का बस चले तो संडे घर तोड़ के नया घर बनवा दे. That's my mom guys, that's my mom. So जहाँ मैं जनरली बैठ के वीडियो बनाती हूँ, my mom has swapped that place out altogether. So now we are at a different location. That's not the way what we do for a very long time क्योंकि मेरे पास content नहीं था. तो अब मेरे पास वो content आया है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ या कुछ करने वाली हूँ, but the content is very simple because I had recently started traveling. So these are the things I do when I travel. So I'm gonna put it out there so that you people can also use it as tips and a little starter for your travel things. I'm a beginner traveler, so I'm not like an experienced seasoned traveler. That's not the point. I do travel solo mostly because I'm not a great people person because I feel like I like my company more than anybody else's. I do have friends and I have traveled with my friends too, but I like it better when I travel alone. It's just nicer, fun, and I get to do things on my own. Like I don't have to wait on other people, like if they like it or not. I just do it on my own. Anyway, that was not the point also. So the first tip that I use is I research about the place. Always do that क्योंकि कभी कभी पता क्या होता है हम सोचते हैं कि मैं वहाँ पहुँच के एक्सप्लोर करूँगा बहुत मजा आएगा वंडरलैंड kind of thing. No, ये मैंने किया था एक बार when I was in Hubli and I thought I'll just take a two-wheeler और मैं वहाँ से येलापुर चली जाऊँगी to just explore the waterfalls there and everything. Bad thing, bad choice because one I thought it's just okay. I'm just gonna go there, explore, हो जाएगा. The weather was terrible. I was literally drenched from head to toe. Even though I had a raincoat, I was standing with an umbrella, waiting for the rain to go down, but that never happened. So always research about the place, check the weather, check how it is gonna be, and check how much can you drive or travel around and do stuff. Because sometimes I'm telling you, band बढ़ जाती है जब तुम सोचो ना वंडरलस्ट करेंगे हम चलते बनेंगे. It is fun, okay? It is fun. It's stupid sometimes, but the thing was the end result was I never reached Yellapur because the rain was so bad, like so freaking bad कि मेरी गाड़ी जो थी ना वो हिलने लग गई थी. Almost the winds were so bad, so I had to return back to Hubli. So that was that. So that's why always research about the place. एक दो वीडियो देखा करो YouTube पे कि वेदर कैसा है वहाँ पे क्या करना चाहिए. And don't be a person who wants to do everything on your 2-day trip. No, you cannot do that. Okay, तो कभी ये मत सोचना कि मैं 2 दिन में सब कुछ कर लूँगा. कभी-कभी नहीं होता है. And कभी-कभी सब कुछ करना जरूरी भी नहीं होता है. If you're just on a 2-day trip, plan it out in a way that you want to do activities which are nicer for you. So like if you want to do this कि मुझे swimming करनी है या whatever activities are possible there, rock climbing, diving and stuff, select the activities that you like the most and like it cannot be negotiable कि like ये तो मुझे करना ही करना है. If you're on a 2-day trip, prioritize your activities that way. So it'll be way easier for you to do it. And trust me, sometimes skipping on things is good. You don't have to do everything. You can come back to that place another time and do the rest of the things there. Secondly, always carry a bag that has a lot of pockets. मतलब जितनी pockets हो सके better. क्योंकि तुम्हें खुद नहीं पता चलता कि तुम्हारे पास इतना सामान हो कैसे जा रहा है ट्रिप के एंड में. तुम्हें जब सब कुछ पूछना होता है ना बैग में वापस पैक करके जाने के लिए, it becomes a hassle if you don't have a bag that has a lot of pockets or a lot of storage altogether. So always carry a bag that has a lot of storage and pockets. With this, I would also say carry like your plastic bags or cloth bags. Don't pollute the place, but like plastic bags and cloth bags because sometimes you're not able to wash your dirty socks or undergarments and stuff. So you can just stack it up differently and put it in a corner so it doesn't smell out your other clothes. I'm telling you, trust me, it always works. Do carry your plastic bags and do carry them home back and throw them in the bin and not anywhere around. That's very arrive at the place in the morning because one, it's early morning, it's bright, it's sunny, it's like a happy day, new day kind of excited for the new day. Maybe you are not, but they are. Like most of the people are happy for the new day kind of thing. They survived another day altogether. So it's better to reach in the morning and it's safer altogether. The fourth tip would be carry all your documents like your identification cards and all that stuff and your debit cards, credit cards, money and stuff in a different bag altogether, like a handy bag or your handbag for women and stuff and wallets. Because when अगर तुम ये सोच रहे हो कि इस बैग में मैं सब डाल दूंगा, फिर उस बैग में तुम्हें ऐसा लगेगा तुम कुएं से चीजें निकाल रहे हो और सब निकल रहा है तुम्हारे डॉक्यूमेंटेशन के अलावा. So it's so much better to just put it away in a whole different bag. Less hassle, better it for everyone. तुम बैठ के वहाँ लोगों को बोलो 2 मिनट भाई 2 मिनट नहीं कर रहे हो, तुम अपना सामान तुमने निकाला दिखाया. Secondly, if you are reaching in the morning और तुम्हारे होटल चेक इन में टाइम है और तुम सोच रहे हो कि कहाँ सामान रखना है, and railway station that I know of, bus stand I'm not sure, have lockers. Big railway station and airports do have lockers. Sometimes small airports and small railway stations do not have lockers. But some people who are willing to keep things for you, like मैं बदामी में थी and वहाँ पे there was a sweet lady who asked me if like मेरा बैग इतना बड़ा था और उसने मुझे देखते ही बोला कि ये तो तुम उठा के लेके जा नहीं सकती because बदामी is like a cave kind of place and there's like छोटा छोटा हिल जैसा है वहाँ पे चढ़ना पड़ता है तुम्हें, ठीक है. तो उसने मुझे देखा, उसने बोला ये तो तुम उठा के ऊपर जा नहीं सकती. So she was kind enough to let me keep my bags at her place. Like ये बदामी का केव का एंट्रेंस था और उसके थोड़ी दूर ही उनका घर था. तो she allowed me to keep all my bags there. I did pay her for it because it sounded so small. Not be a traveler more than a tourist. Just ask people for help. Sometimes people are ready to help you. Not everybody is out there to eat you up. But yeah. So if you don't get lockers, if you're going to the place that you want to explore, just check for people if they're willing to keep things for you. Sometimes they do, not always. You never know, but like it's better to take a chance and ask them if they're willing to do it or not. कि तुमने सामान ऐसा सामान दे दो कि तुम्हें पता है कि बहुत there's like some valuables in it and तुमने सोचा कि वो लेके तुमने तो बोला था कि सामान लो कुछ ये नहीं कि तुम valuable चीज भी उनको दे दो फिर चोरी होगी तो फिर क्या करोगे तुम. इसलिए like sometimes trust your gut when it tells you okay I can give my things here but not your valuables. Never your valuables. If your gut tells you to give, कि मैं यहाँ सामान safely रख सकता हूँ, do keep it. If it doesn't, just go back to your hotel, drop your bags, lock your room, and then go back to the place. Okay, just don't be a person who believes in everything the other person says. See, for me, it was a good experience. It could not be the same for you. It's just better that I'm just telling you tips that worked for me. It might work for you too, but sometimes it doesn't. Never give your valuables away thinking that, oh, trust the locals and stuff. Sometimes you have to trust your gut and your brain too when it tells you, okay, you don't have to. Okay, so be safe. So the next thing would be, if you're traveling solo, I would recommend and I would insist, stay at a hostel. Hostels are the best place you can meet people. They're not sponsoring me. I don't think they would ever sponsor me for this, but hostels are the best place if you're traveling solo. I met the most amazing people when I was traveling. When I was in Gokarna and I was looking for a place to stay, the hostel was my top approach because the view was amazing from there. I selected it for the view. I'm so happy I did because I met the most amazing people there, like I said. So it's better if you're traveling solo. Even if you're a group of 3 log bhi ho na tum log, so try staying at a hostel because you meet amazing people there. Or try staying at a place that has like this combined cottages वगैरह and stuff, so you could see people around. It's just so much nicer when you meet people there. I met some amazing people on my group, like more than 5 people or even 4 people, and you want to hang out together, you can take an Airbnb outstay and you can enjoy yourself. लेकिन अगर तुम 3 लोग और 3 से कम लोग हो ना, I would highly tell you stay at a hostel or a cottage that accompanies other cottages together. It's so much nice to meet people sometimes. I'm not a great people person, but I still love meeting people there, and it's just nice to know somebody with a different background, experience and stuff. It's just so much more fun, I tell you. When you go back, it's just the best thing. From that, I remember when I was in Gokarna, so one of the people I met there, she gave me this amazing tip for traveling was, whenever you go to a place, write yourself a letter from there. And that was mind boggling for me. क्योंकि तुम सोचो तुम घर वापस आ रहे हो and you are like remembering your trip, you're reminiscing about it, and you're reminiscing about it, and then you get a letter from that place from you to you. That's the most amazing feeling. Like you're opening it up and you've written the letter telling, oh, this place was amazing, I had done this. It just refreshes all your memory together. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें letter नहीं लिखना है, maybe it's too much for you. So your basic souvenir would be getting fridge magnets for yourself. That way you remember the place. But if you have time and if you want to make it more memorable, I would highly recommend write letters to yourself. Sometimes they don't come back. My tip for that would be, see, what I do is I had written a letter for me from Gokarna, but कभी वापस नहीं आया. So the next time when I was doing this, I thought I will write a page of diary everywhere I go. So I have this small diary that I've bought, and जहाँ मैं जाती हूँ, I sit and write a letter to the place. Like it's a person, like I like, oh dear Pondicherry, it was amazing meeting you and blah blah blah, and what I did there, what was the most memorable thing that I had there. I do that, and it's amazing. When I tell you it's amazing, it's just nice. कभी तुम बोर हो रहे हो and you just flip pages and you see you had the best of time there. So it's just nice that way. You can do it if you want to. It's not a must hack because it's not like a survival thing. But yeah, it's just fun, to remember your trip like that, and I like doing that. So I do that. And if you want to, like maybe you don't plan everything, but the moment you plan on going somewhere, किसी को अपनी लोकेशन वगैरह या जगह का आसपास का वो सब भेज दिया करो. Better be safe than sorry kind of thing. So like even when I was traveling, I used to click photos of my auto people and my bike and stuff and send it to my parents. Safe, just to be safe rather than to be sorry. So that's another tip. I would also say कि अपना खुद का एक मेडिसिन का डब्बा हमेशा लेके चलो. Don't be a person कि वहाँ जाके देख लेंगे हो जाएगा. कभी कभी पता क्या होता है, तुम ऐसी जगह पे होते हो जहाँ पे एक मेडिकल स्टोर होगा और वो इतना दूर होगा ना तुमसे कि तुम्हें इतना इनकन्वीनियंट लगेगा वहाँ जाना कि इतना दूर जाके लेके आना है, तो मैं रह जाता वाला. So it's just way better to carry your own medicine box. A small thing but takes you a long way. और like तुम बीच में ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, कहीं तुम ऊपर पहाड़ों में, तुम कहाँ वहाँ पे मेडिकल स्टोर ढूंढोगे. सो इट्स जस्ट बेटर टू हैव योर ओन मेडिसिन बॉक्स, कैरी इट विद यू. छोटी सी चीजें अपने साथ रख लोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, बच ही जाओगे तुम. तुम्हारी सेफ्टी हो रही है, किसी और की तो नहीं हो रही है. तुम वहाँ जानवरों को तो बैंडेज नहीं लगाओगे. ऑल्सो व्हेन यू आर ट्रैवलिंग, आई नो एवरीबडी नोज दिस एंड दे डू इट मोस्ट ऑफ देम, बट आई एम जस्ट रिमाइंडिंग यू, बीइंग अ नाइस फ्रेंड, कि कैरी योर पावर बैंक. समटाइम्स इट्स वे बेटर टू नॉट बिलीव योर फोन बैटरी लास्ट फॉर 2 days विद दिस वन चार्जिंग. नो, क्योंकि तुम 25 फोटो खींच रहे हो, तुम्हें गूगल मैप्स भी देखना है, तुम्हें गाने भी सुनने, माहौल बनाना है. इट्स जस्ट बेटर टू कैरी योर पावर बैंक. जस्ट नाइस, बी सेफ. पावर बैंक लगाया, फिर तुम गाने सुनते रहो, ट्रैवल करो, गूगल मैप देखो, फोटो खींचो, सब मजे में हो रहा है. भाई फोन की बैटरी रहनी चाहिए. कभी किसी को फोन करना हो, कहीं तुम्हें कहीं किसी को फोन करना होगा, इट्स जस्ट वे बेटर दैट वे. 4-3% की बैटरी लेके तुम दुनिया घूम के आ जाओगे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. 4 लोग तुम्हारे पीछे चिंता करेंगे. उससे बेटर है तुम फोन करके उनको बोल दो कि हाँ मैं जिंदा हूँ, बचा हुआ हूँ और घर वापस आ रहा हूँ. Simple. See, so it's just nice that दूसरे लोगों को परेशान. When you're traveling to a new place, be nicer to people. You are the new person there and they're the locals, so they know the place way better than you. And always be nice. Like if somebody's helping you out, be thankful, be grateful. Be polite to people. Being polite takes you a long way. I'm telling you that because sometimes मैं जब पौंडी में थी, मैं यहाँ वहाँ घूमने जा रही थी, and people, I just politely asked them, oh, if you have time, could you please tell me? And they were so nice enough that they used to tell me like इधर जाना है, ऐसे जाना है. If you take this way like that, it'll be much easier for you. And it's just nice. So the politer you are, it's just way better for you to for a long run. ये जिंदगी का लाइफ स्किल जैसा हो गया कि तुम जितने अच्छे हो, तुम्हारे साथ लोग भी उतने अच्छे रहेंगे. ट्रैवल का तो अलग बात है. दैट इज दैट. ऑल्सो जब तुम जगह जा रहे हो तो इसकी रिसर्च कर लो. ये नहीं कि तुम वहाँ पहुँच रहे हो और फिर तुम्हें पता चल रहा है कि गाड़ी लेनी है, बस लेनी है, तो वो सब भी पहले ही डिसाइड कर लो कि जब कहाँ पहुँचने वाले हैं तो वहाँ पे 2 व्हीलर रेंट करना है या लोकली ट्रांसपोर्ट में जाना है या बस वगैरह करनी है या इट्स जस्ट ऑल वॉकेबल डिस्टेंस एंड एवरीथिंग. इट्स बेटर टू डू अ लिटिल रिसर्च, नॉट अ लॉट. बी द वंडरलस्ट पर्सन यू वांट टू बी कि लाइक वहाँ जाके सब देखा जाएगा, वील गो फिगर इट आउट, बट अ लिटिल रिसर्च इज जस्ट वे बेटर. like the weather, how the transports work there, is there two-wheelers available there and all that stuff. Because sometimes किसी किसी जगह पे you can't rent stuff until you reach like till a certain point where they're allowing you to do it. So it's just better to do a little research कि वहाँ जाके तुम्हें ऐसे हड़बड़ी सी ना हो जाए कि भाई ये नहीं हो रहा वो नहीं हो रहा ट्रिप तो खराब है. थोड़ा research पहले कर लोगे तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. So yeah, that's how I travel when I travel. That's my beginner-friendly travel list that I shared out there. I hope you liked it. I hope you pick something out from it and it helps you in the future when you're traveling. So yeah, so I hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. I'm so happy we have reached to a family of 32 people and it's amazing. You can follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description and I'll see you later. Bye.